This is part 2, guys. Of the video, we repair the air conditioning system on this 2015 Mazda CX-5. So guys, the engine running, the air condition on, cooling nice. We're going to replace the cabin filter shortly. This is the old filter. So I'm going to show you outside, guys. So in the previous videos, guys, we have to remove the bumper, the headlights, the radiator, the whole condenser, and also the radiator fan, and a lot more things. So the low side pressure and the high side pressure is now good, and you can see the low side pad sweating a lot of water, condensation. Look at this, guys. This is a good sign that the air conditioner is working properly. So guys, there's a lot of work to repair this vehicle. Vehicle still cooling nice. So guys, remember, anytime you're going to repair your air conditioning system on your vehicle, you have to make sure that you pressure test the system properly and also vacuum the system. It is very important because you don't want to recharge the system with refrigerant, and by the time you drive 10 or 20 minutes, or you switch out the car and leave it, come back, the air conditioner not working. So you have to make sure that you do all the necessary checks before you recharge the system. So guys, also this air conditioning system use HFC 134A refrigerant. So guys, you can watch the previous video. The link is in the description. So guys, I'm going to try to show you the drain hose dripping a lot of water. Guys, the drain hose dripping. So that's it, guys. Another successful job from Kirk School Here Auto. Guys, follow us on Instagram, TikTok, and like us on Facebook. And if you're in Jamaica, guys, and you need your air conditioner to repair, our contact number is in the description. So feel free to WhatsApp us or give us a direct call.